I'm trying to experiment with the different possibilities that the internet and the new forms of marketing has with us.
And since it's been a month, I want to kind of just spend some time reviewing, fix any kinks you've spent total. This is the best part, by the way. Okay, look, you've spent 7 plus 7 plus 7, $21. Okay, total. You've spent the last 7 days, and you got 16 leads. Okay, so if you go $21 divided by 16, okay, you're getting $1.30 leads.
That's excellent. No, that's awesome.
Leads, right?
Okay, that list grew from the last one you showed me.
Oh man, it's growing daily, bro. It's growing daily. Okay.
That's exciting.
Oh man, this is super exciting. I'm super excited for you. Okay, if we go,
I know that's going to be possible because Zach is always reaching out and trying to see how we can make this thing work. So I'm excited. I'm excited.
if anyone is having a hard time kind of wrapping their head around this, or maybe they're hesitant to get started working with us and working with me in A to Z 123 marketing, what would you say to that person?
Don't be afraid to take the dive like I was at first. Just go ahead, sit down, be very clear, just what's on your heart, communicate with Zach. His expertise will reach out to you.